Number one most innovative company for manufacturing and consumer goods in 2021 is Geofabrics Australasia. Geofabrics has won this year for SorbSeal. Check this out, guys. It's a hybrid geosynthetic clay liner that's been blended with a high surface area powdered activated carbon to attract and trap toxic polyfluoroalkyl substances. That's PFAs for short. And Lord knows we want to trap our PFAs to stop them from contaminating the environment. And now you can, thanks to SorbSeal. Well done. SorbSeal has already been used as a liner in 2 landfill cells in Queensland, but it's got the potential to guard against PFAS contamination in all landfills and mining leachate ponds in Australia. Just imagine every single mining leachate pond that you can think of could be protected by SorbSeal in the next 12 months. Congratulations, guys, on your victory. That's great work from Geofabrics Australasia.
Do you know about PFAS? You may not have heard of it, but you may be walking on it, eating it, or drinking it as you watch this video. Per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances are a group of man-made chemicals that have been manufactured and used in a variety of industries around the globe since the 1940s. You can't see PFAS, but it is hiding in a lot of the things that you interact with on a daily basis. Just like you know how to check a house for asbestos before you renovate it, there are certain products that you should avoid to lower your exposure to PFAS. From non-stick cookware to food packaging and shampoos to firefighting foam, PFAS are chemicals that aren't found in nature and are known as forever chemicals due to their inability to break down. When consumed, PFAS exposure can lead to health conditions including cancer and liver or kidney disease. One of the main sources of PFAS contamination is in firefighting foam. This foam is used at sites including airports, CFA training sites, and army bases. If the foam is not removed correctly, it can contaminate land and waterways, ending up in your drinking water and food, as PFAS can easily build up in the bodies of animals and people. Another main source of PFAS contamination are landfill sites. A study conducted by the University of Queensland of 35 landfill sites across Australia detected PFAS in every single one, whether it was still operational or now closed. There's no way to stop PFAS without making major changes to manufacturing and the products that we buy, which all end up in landfill eventually. That's where Geofabrics come in. Geofabrics is Australasia's geosynthetic specialists. They have a passion for the environment and sustainability. Geofabrics' new product SorbSeal is a hydraulic barrier to contaminants. It uses a powdered activated carbon hybrid geosynthetic clay liner to trap and seal dangerous chemicals away. SorbSeal forms a barrier in contaminated landfill sites to stop PFAS and other dangerous chemicals from leaking out and contaminating the environment around it. Rigorous testing in the lab has shown SorbSeal can trap PFAS contaminated liquid in soil, helping to stop the spread for hundreds of years. When you use SorbSeal, the planet thanks you. For more information about PFAS and how SorbSeal will be tackling the issue to protect future generations, visit geofabrics.co or geofabrics.co.nz.